Is your GE fridge alarm beeping incessantly? It usually means the door isn't properly sealed. Clean it thoroughly with mild soap and water to remove any debris that might be preventing a tight seal. Check for cracks or tears. If they're significant, over 1/8 inch, the gasket needs replacement. Next, make sure shelves aren't overpacked, preventing the door from closing fully. Also, for older models, ensure the energy saver switch is off, as it can trigger false alarms. These simple steps resolve most issues. If cleaning the gasket doesn't solve the problem, the door switch might be faulty. This switch, costing $10 to $20, detects when the door is closed. You can test its continuity with a multimeter. It should read 0 ohms when the door is closed and the switch is compressed. If it's not working, replace it following a YouTube tutorial. If the issue persists, try a control reset. Unplug the fridge for 5 minutes to reset the control board. For smart models, use the GE Smart HQ app to reset the alarm or enable Sabbath mode temporarily. Remember to unplug the fridge before any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. If problems continue, it might be time to call GE support at 1-800-432-2737.